They call us gamblers. They say we depend on luck. They claim that no one can beat the market, and we're wasting our time. This isn't a real job. We should give up our hobby, they say. But if they only knew that we are the masters of risk, the essence of entrepreneurial spirit, the liquidity of the economy. We live by our wits, eating what we hunt, adapting to the ever-changing jungle landscape that is the market. We trade the currency you circulate when you shop. We trade the companies you work for each day. We trade the gold on the watch on your wrist. While you wilt at the sight of failure and loss, we relish adversity. We are not afraid to take losses, to talk about our losses, to rebound from our losses. Those are our defining moments. Discipline and self-awareness are our companions. We are what you've always wished you could be. And we're coming out of the shadows. We are traders.
It's 7 a.m. in the morning here in Kerala. So it's a heavy rainfall. I don't know when the next flood will happen. But still, let's get started. So as you can see, yesterday BTC turned out to be a fake out. I've been seeing many fake outs these past days. So I'm just gonna slow my trading here on. Basically, it's just alts most likely. So when BTC does a fake reclaim, alts along with it are bullish, and when it comes crashing down, all goes to hell. Similarly, so currently I don't know how much time this 22,729 daily level will hold, but for now it looks like a strong support. But the more times you visit that level, the more probability it is to break. So yesterday's Q-term trade when I hit the stop loss. The FET has been holding above the monthly open. I think it's more bullish more than any other alts. There is another plan for EDA too. Yesterday I found it out. EDA already collected the liquidity above here, so most likely the next push we are about to get the reclaim of monthly open. But I am not going to trade that trade if BTC doesn't get above 23,480. So you should always plan your trade like this. Depending on BTC, so I usually plan like this. If an alt is bullish, I don't directly involve with it if BTC is bearish. So if an alt is bullish and BTC is bearish, it's most likely that alt is gonna be bearish soon. So or more volatile movement is not good to trade. Actually, BTC indicates the fund flow to the market, so that is why this happens all the time. But in the case of APE and GMT, the last time it went berserk, that's because it has a lot of high volume and demand. Nearly close to BTC, so it is self-dependent. So unlike self-dependent altcoins, currently ADA is not self-dependent. It's more likely based on BTC. The chart is most likely the same as like Bitcoin's chart same. So that's that. So if I am entering a bullish scenario in ADA, I should always consider BTC to be I should always consider a bullish scenario on BTC, and likewise this is applicable to mostly any alts. So currently I am out of Q-term here, and cover looks good for the event. Anyways, I'm not entering right now. It's not good to enter right now. So before 1 week, I usually enter before 1 week. Like that time I did UTK. It went a good trade actually, 50% profit, nice. So I'm waiting for this BTC to choose any one direction. So or you can trade the range here, but trading the range is not as effective because you don't know where to put your invalidation. Because the default invalidation will be a reclaim of this weekly level, but as you know, it turned out to be yesterday turned out to be a fake out. Here. So this monthly open, we can also play a three phase. AMD setup, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, or expansion. That kind of setup. That's also possible here. Accumulation here, manipulation below the monthly open, and expansion above the monthly open. To here exactly, this is a strong high. So that's also possible here. It is most likely dependent on BTC, so nothing to look about that. Also, I've been seeing some strength in BTC pair. That's it all for today. As I mentioned, I have only some plans bet. Qtum, GMT doesn't seem to be fast. It will take some time. ADA is currently number one of my list, and Fed, Qtum, etc. That's it for guys today. But most likely my analysis dependent on BTC. Not my analysis. Most of the analysis are dependent on BTC anyway. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.